Hello, hello. Maybe upstairs? Hello? Aha. Yo, yo, yo. Huh? Hello? Laura? Laura? Okay, slowly feels like in a horror movie. What? Hello!
Hello! I borrowed this backhoe and I took a couple hours to put some gravel in here and I think we're almost ready to go.
Okay.
And then we can plant stuff. Okay, let me finish this.
Sure.
Yeah.
Super.
Okay, so my plan is that this area is nice. Hopefully there's some like grass on it, but it's also possible to drive the forklift on it. So somebody told me that this gravel in combination with just some grass seeds is perfect. So let's try it. How much of this? Kann man zu viel machen? Felix, you want to see the house?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I put some work in. I love it so much. Schuhe aus. Okay, check this out. Ooh.
Oh.
And
Oh.
I wanted to have a control center for the light. And there's another light, which is, you know these lights.
Uh-huh.
For some reason,
Oh.
we need to work on that. I don't know what
Okay.
happened there. And I also have storage for my sketchbooks, more storage here. And this is actually one of my walnut lamps. The first YouTube video I ever made. I have 2 left over and I cut this one to make it fit there. And what this needs is a dimmer. I need this to be dimmable. So this is my hand luggage. I found it in Philadelphia and it's a perfect hand luggage because it takes like my laptop and iPad, all these things. So passport, all that stuff that I need for traveling, it's always packed here. And if I need to go, I just grab this box and I'm done. Then I have a little bit more storage here. We need to build one more drawer for this. And then I think this is done. One more thing.
Oh, yes.
Hä?
Nice color.
Oder?
Sweet.
It just fits so well, the whole aesthetic. Can watch TV, eat. It's perfect. This table is perfect. Oh, and these are now on
Yeah,
slides, so we can take it out.
makes so different.
Much different, yeah?
Perfect.
All right, so what I want to do this week is, first of all, finish the last bits and pieces for the shelf. And then I want to prepare the backyard because that's where I temporarily at least want to park the house. The problem with the backyard is though, it has a lot of potential, but it's not in the best shape. So before summer comes, I want to spend some time and just improve the space because this is so nice. When the sun is out, we have sun all day long. I kind of want this to be like an outside kitchen. Then we have the tiny bar. I want this to be a hangout. And I imagine to like maybe have a pole in the middle of this with some lights, and then the tiny house can be there for now. And I think this is just too good of a space to waste it. So let's spend the week and make this nice. Okay, those are the cut-offs from the wood we used for the window frame, and I thought this might make a nice face for the drawer that I still need to build. We need to build one more drawer for this. I want to say one thing.
You love edge bending?
I love edge bending. About last week's video, I hate this clamp work. It drives me insane. In less than, I don't know, 12 hours, we got over 1,000 comments about the steam bending. I know it works better with steam, but I am not patient enough for that kind of stuff. I wanted to work right away. And it did! It was just a little frustrating, but I know steam bending would have been the proper way to do it. If you want to learn about proper ways to do stuff, don't come here. This is not where that is at. Okay, cool. Okay, next thing I want to do is work on the dimmer, and I ordered this dimmer. The only thing is that is unacceptable. We need something way nicer than this. Let's look for a knob. Okay, careful. Yeah. Okay, they don't come off. Ooh.
Good.
Yes, much better. Great. And now?
Yes.
Hey. Ist das geil?
Ja.
Ja. Ja. Great. And then this one. Hammer. Okay, so for the drawer, I thought it would be cool to have finger joints. And the easiest way to do that is with a shaper. You know what drives me mad?
No? What do you mean?
I think I might be in full spring cleaning mode because everything bothers me, everything that's not in order, and I really want the workshop to be better, I want my backyard to be better, I want my house to be better, I want everything to be better. So let's dedicate the time and turn this into a Shaper Origin station, maybe more storage, maybe more tool charging. Have you seen my new broom station? So you can either, if you only have small things to clean up, you can grab this. Or if you need to clean up a whole mess, or if you plan to go outside, you can take the whole thing. It's so good, no? It is genius! Okay, so. Okay, I changed my mind about the construction. I thought I wanted to build legs for this, but now that I see this, I think it would be great if this was just free. So we can have like dust collection, something, and go in and out easily. So I think I will just build a frame underneath this and screw it into that table. That should hold, that should hold. Geil. Ist irgendwie voll schief. The level of detail for my shop furniture and for my house is a little bit different, but who cares? As long as this is stable, I really don't mind. Was ist los, mein Schatz? Smoothy? Wo sind die Mäuschen? Wo sind die Mäuschen? My old charging station. Okay, now that it all looks so nice, I really want to move the house.
Was hier passiert, Janine?
Festgefahren.
Festgefahren. Festgefahren. Ja, dann überlegt euch jetzt mal was.
Laura!
You are nervous?
Yes, I'm always nervous when we're moving the house.
Let's go.
Okay. Wow, was ist hier los? Warte mal, warte mal. Stopp, 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 stopp. Ich kann nicht hinsehen. Keep spending most of life living in the gangster's paradise. Okay, und stopp! Geil! Ja, ey, das sieht doch mega aus. Das sieht doch nur geil aus. Hä? Ja, krass. Okay, it's all good. Seeing the house in this context, it just makes so much more sense. Before it was just parked in front of the studio, I still loved it. I already loved it, but this... Now imagine, this is a little bit better in shape, sunlight, friends, maybe barbecue or a coffee in the morning, and then I can say, this is where I slept, that's my house.
Yeah, but one question. What do you mean with maybe barbecue?
That's a good question. I don't know if I have a barbecue. I think it makes a lot of sense to have a station for smaller stuff. I mean, I obviously have the big table saw, but for things like building this tiny drawer, I think this is the perfect setup. Ihr zwei, ja, geht schon. And this one nail, it's a little detail. When it's too perfect, people don't believe you that you build it. So I always intentionally add a little bit of a defect. So gut. What a crazy day we had. I am so happy that the house is finally at its temporary final destination. It feels so different to be in here. And I'm also happy about the little things like this little junk drawer that is done, or the lights, the dimmable lights. And I also like that we took some time to build this shaper festool station. It will make it so much easier in the future to work with two people. It kind of feels like everything is at its place now, and that makes me feel very good. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy the dimmable lights. And I will see you next week with a new video.